Hello, my name is Jeffrey Smith, and I am discussing discipline actions that have been taken towards counselors in the state of Texas. The Texas State Board of Examiners of Professional Counselors lists and maintains records of disciplinary action that has been done towards counselors in regards to activity that they have done either in the role of a counselor or because of neglect in doing the duties of a counselor. There is a trend for a couple of years where a lot of the disciplinary action was because of paperwork failures and poor record keeping. One of the most recent activities was a case in 2018 that resulted in a probated suspension for 1 year in my hometown of San Antonio. The counselor had failed to set and maintain professional boundaries, failed to keep accurate records, failed to take reasonable steps to facilitate a client transfer to appropriate care. What interested me the most about a lot of the situations and the disciplinary action that took place with counselors was the fact that it was neglect more on the part of the counselor towards themselves as it was towards a client. Meaning it led to a lot of cases of impairment. One, because of the preparation of the counselor, and two, the counselor was not taking care of themselves. The ACA Code of Ethics states in Chapter C, Section 2, specifically about impairment, and I quote from Subchapter G. Counselors monitor themselves for signs of impairment from their own physical, mental, or emotional problems and refrain from offering or providing professional services when impaired. Again, using the Code of Ethics and then what the state of Texas has in place, the impairment of a counselor can be detrimental to the services provided towards a client. If a counselor does not take care of themselves first, how can they ever take care of a client when they are doing the sessions as scheduled and the therapy plan that they have laid out with the client? Which brings a couple of good questions to mind. First of all, how can a counselor truly take care of themselves? Second, what does the counselor need to do to maintain their appropriate paperwork and licensing to make sure they can be the best counselor possible to the clients they service?